Hello everyone, welcome back to In Hand Automation. I am Saurabh and in today's video, we are going to set up everything what we need before we start writing the Playwright Automation script. Okay, so don't worry if you guys are completely beginner and I'll guide you through the step by step. So need not to worry about anything. And by the end of this video, your system will be fully configured and ready for the Playwright Automation script development. So on a highlight guys, in this video, we will be installing the Node.js Visual Studio Code. And at the end of that, we'll be verifying that everything is installed correctly or not. So let's get started. Yeah. So before installing anything, let's first understand one simple question. What exactly Node.js is and why do we need it? So as you guys already know, the Playwright is mainly written on JavaScript and TypeScript, but the JavaScript cannot run by itself on your computer, right? So just like Java guys, if you want to run particular Java code or program, we need a Java runtime environment to execute it. Similarly, JavaScript also need a runtime environment, and that's where the Node.js come into the picture. So Node.js is an open source, cross-platform, and backend JavaScript runtime environment that will allow us to execute the JavaScript code outside the browsers. Okay, so since Playwright is built on top of Node.js, installing the Node.js is the very first step. Now, to install that, let's go to the browser and we will be typing here as node.js official website. The moment we are pressing enter, we'll be on this page and very first website we'll see it is an official document, official website of the Node.js, and we'll then to the home page. If you guys want to know more about the Node.js, you can read about you can read the about section, you can go to the blogs and read it and get the details, right? And if you just want to download it, just click on this git node.js. And here, if you guys are using Windows, select that operating system. If you are using Mac, select accordingly, Linux, AIX, whatever, which operating system you guys are using, select this particular drop-down accordingly. Similarly, you can select your which version, like 64-bit, 86-bit, 32-bit. Mostly nowadays, everyone is using the 64-bit, so that's the recommended option. Now, Windows installer MSI file here, you see the two buttons here, right? One is for the window installer and standby binary. So I would recommend you to click on Windows installer MSI. The moment you will click on it, it will be downloaded, right? So once the download is completed, simply you need to go here into the download and click on enter or double click on this particular setup file. So Node.js setup will be open. It will be saying welcome to the Node.js setup wizard. It will be from here guys, it will be pretty much similar like how we are doing for all other application on a daily basis to install or set up it. You just need to click on next and accept the license agreement. Once the license agreement is accepted and you are reaching till end of this setup, you will be seeing the install button. Just click on the install button and finally the once the installation is done, you will be seeing the finish. And that's all. Within a few seconds, node.js will be installed in your system, right? I have already installed it, so that's why I'm not proceeding further with those steps. But you guys can proceed further and perform those steps by clicking next, and installed it. That's all, guys. Okay, so yeah, your node.js is installed. Now let's make sure that node.js was installed successfully. How can you check that? To check that, guys, we need to open a command prompt. To open the command prompt, I hope you guys are already aware. Just search the command prompt into the start menu and you will get it. So to check which version you guys are having of Node.js, what you guys need to do, whether it is successfully installed or not. So you need to type node space hyphen v. So if you are seeing the version number here, congratulations, your Node.js is successfully installed. And if you are able to see this, really good. Now, the next command is npm space hyphen v. What is npm? This is new, right? We installed Node, but why we are searching for npm hyphen v? So npm stands for Node Package Manager. It is automatically installed along with Node.js. We will use npm to install the Playwright and many other package during this course. So if both command displaying you the version, then your installation is complete. So here I can see the npm version is 11.13, Node version is version 25. Okay. Okay, so this is installed successfully for me. But what if the command is not recognized? Sometimes whoever is doing for the first time, they may face the error while giving the node space hyphen v that node is not recognized as an internal or external command. Don't panic, guys. This simply means that Windows cannot find the node.js installation. So what you need to do in this case to fix this, you guys, we need to add the node.js installation folder to a Windows environment variable. That's all. So how you can do that? First of all, we need to go to the Windows C section here, open the program file. That's where the Node.js always installs. And here you are able to see the Node.js. Just take the path of this file. Okay, now go to the start menu, type edit system environment variable. Just open it. So here you will be able to see one page is coming up, one box is coming up for you. Now you are able to see environment variable here, right? Just click on this environment variable. Now inside the environment variable you will be seeing the system variable. So just search for the in the system variable, search for the path. So if you are able to see the path here, that's great. If not, because you are facing the error while searching for the version that node is not recognized, so definitely you will not be able to see the path here. So what you need to do, you need to click on new and give the name as path, and whatever the value which you copied, just paste it here. That's all. Now click on OK. So once you click on OK, you will not be seeing that particular error. If you are already have the path but still you are seeing, just click on edit and go to the click on edit and then click on new, and here you will be able to see that you are getting one inbox where you can type that particular address and click OK, right? And after you can click OK. So I already have it, that's why I'm not clicking it, right? It is there for me right here, right? So I'm not clicking OK, I'm just clicking cancel. But you guys can click OK. Now, once you click OK, what you need to do, you need to again close that particular command prompt. Just close it and open it again and search the same commands. What are the commands? Hope you guys remember. First is node space hyphen v, second is npm space hyphen v, and you will be able to see the version for both. Great, guys. Now that node.js is installed, now let's install a code editor. Okay, so we will use a Visual Studio Code, which is also known as the VS Code. It is one of the most popular code editor in the world. Okay, so it is widely used by the developer and automation engineer. It provides an excellent support for the JavaScript, TypeScript, Playwright, and many useful extensions are there. So to download that, what we are going to do is we will be going to the official website of the Visual Studio Code. For that, I'll just go to the browser, new window, Visual Studio Code, Visual Studio Code. I'll just type it Visual Studio Code. So first URL which is coming here is an official website. So basically, it's a Microsoft tool that is created by Microsoft. I'll click on the download for Windows. The moment I'll click on download for Windows, it will be downloaded automatically. Now, same thing what we did for the Node.js. Once it is downloaded successfully, we need to go into the download folder. Here we have, and we will be having the Visual Studio setup here. What you need to do, simply just run the installer, keep the default option. Okay, click next and complete the installation. During the installation, I will recommend you to select the option as add to path. This will allow us to launch the VS Code directly from the command line. Okay, so this is what I'm talking about, add to path. If you are checking it, you will be able to open the Visual Studio using the command prompt. Okay, you just need to click on the next and go till the end and install it. Once it is installed successfully, let's verify VS Code is installed successfully or not. Now what we need to do for that, we just need to go to the command prompt again, and what we need to do, type code. The moment you click enter, we are expecting that Visual Studio Code should open. Here you go, guys. You have the Visual Studio Code IDE open. Everything is configured correctly. Awesome. We now have everything required to start working with the Playwright automation. We have Node.js, we have NPM, we have Visual Code installed successfully. So in the next video, we will create our very first Playwright project from scratch, and I'll show you how to initialize a Playwright project using a single npm command, and we will understand the folder structure generated by Playwright. So don't miss the next episode, guys. If you found this video very helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe to In Hand Automation, and press the notification bell so you never miss upcoming videos in this Playwright Zero to Hero series. Thank you so much for watching this video. This is Saurabh signing off. Keep learning, keep practicing, and keep automating, guys.